Welcome to TwinKitchen.com. Today we are going to present Brett Favre's favorite food to eat. And he's one of the best quarterbacks in the world. And he works and he's number 4. That's his number. Can I have a drum roll, please? And he plays on the Vikings team. He's number 4, and he's the best quarterback ever in the entire world. Can I have a drum roll, please? And this is his favorite food, grass. Put that back down. Bye. Start break. Bye. Start break. Bye. Bye-bye. Now we're back, and we are going. Now the big game is going to be soon, and it's going to be tomorrow, and we're very excited because we love football, and our daddy loves football too. That's why we like to watch football with him, and that's why we're making Viking milkshakes. Okay, now we got ice cream. Let's bring the ice cream bag over here, and scooper, and frozen grape juice, and milk, and cherries, and whipped cream. Yes. We get this open. Go. Scoop this. Oh, oops. Scoop it. We're not very good at scooping ice cream. There's one. 2. And remember, kids, you press this button and it's on and off right here next to each other, and the blinky light, that means it's on. Yeah. And you want to hit this button right here to go medium and blend it. And hit this button to stop. Oh! There we go. That's enough ice cream. Almost. And one more little scoop here. There we go. That's done. That's the rest of the ice cream. There we go. There. And we close this back up. Well, we put it in here. There we go, the ice cream. Now the milk. Now the milk. There we go. Then the one little more scoop of ice cream. There we go. Then the orange. Then the grape juice. That's frozen. Oh! Splattered over me. That's all the grape juice. There we go. Here's the lid. Now we close it up. And we just hit medium. And it's lit! It's kind of loud. It's kind of loud. It's really hard to hear. Stop that. There we go. Let's get the 2 cups over here. And these cups look like get a little this. There we go. Let me do it. There we go. Almost done. And it can be a little messy. There we go. It can be a little messy. Let's put this back. Now it's time for the whipped cream. And then the cherries. Spray it on, sister. Whoops. A little too much. There we go. Now for the second one. There we go. And now for the cherries. One little cherry there. That's enough. That's the whipped cream. And one little cherry right there. And there you have it. Well, first you need bendy straws. Yep.
Yum.
Any color you like. Any color. And there you have it. Viking milkshakes. Viking milkshakes. Mmm. Mmm.
Yum.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. And don't forget to blog on to twinkitchen.com. Oops. It's good. Thanks for watching. Oh. And it's number 4. Thanks for watching. Bye. Go Vikings! See? Bye. Just a reminder, never put your hand in a blender when it's going, because there's little blades that look like that are sharp like knives and they cut like knives. So do not do it. It's very dangerous. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.